We'll guide you through how to make a Zoom meeting and get a link on your phone. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. You can follow this guide on an iPhone or an Android. First of all though, you need to go and download the Zoom Workplace app. Just go and search for Zoom and it should go and appear. So go and open it up like so. Now what you will need to do is either sign up or sign in if you already have an account. I can sign in as I have one. There'll be a few permissions and things you need to go and set up, but now we're finished. And then what you want to do is come to meetings in the bottom left and go and click on new meeting in the top left. And what you can do is choose if you want your video on, and you can choose if you want to use the personal meeting ID. I won't, and then what we can do is click on start a meeting. It'll take a moment to load, and you then need to go and join with your audio. And once you've done that, you can then go and give permission for your mic, and then come to the bottom, click on participants and go to the bottom left and click on invite. You'll see a list of options, but we're looking for copy invite link. Click there and that's it. You can then do what you want with that link. For example, I could go and message it to somebody like so, and they could then go and join our meeting. If you found this useful, then please leave a like.